Hey, hi friends, this is Rajat and welcome to our YouTube channel. So, without wasting much time, today I'm just going to walk you through the agenda for the day. आज हमारे पास Oppo F11 4GB RAM 128GB internal memory वाला फ़ोन आया है and we purchased this phone couple of days before from Amazon in the sale. Or today I'm just going to walk you through the unboxing which has already been done plus 2 days review of the phone. As you can see, it's a pretty sturdy box and the box contains Oppo F11. It's not a Pro. Oppo, the Indian cricket team sponsor. This is my first Oppo phone, or before that I have been a Samsung user. So I just tried कि now it's time to replace the phone और check करते हैं कि Oppo, how's Oppo is doing in the market. It's a brand new phone and the box feels very sturdy in our hands, and on the back of the box it's saying it's made in India. The color is marble green, designed by Oppo, of course. It contains 4GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Usually with 4GB comes 64GB internal storage, but Oppo has gone a step ahead and given us 128. That's a good thing. And it contains a 48 ampere dual rear camera, 4020 milliampere battery with VOOC flash charge 3.0 support, 6.5-inch high definition screen plus hyper boost technology. So before opening this box, I'm requesting you to please share, subscribe and post a comment for the channel. That will help me to post better videos. Now the box has been opened, and just let me quickly walk you through the internal contents of the box. So the envelope, where you can see here, it basically contained a SIM card ejection tool, plus at the same time it contained a couple of documentation which was further stored in this particular envelope, and it's always better if you go through the documentation before. Plus the most important thing, a silicone case. The silicone case is pretty much decent in quality, and it's supplied by the Oppo, so we can assume that fit is very fine. Plus you can see a small sleeve which encloses the charging port. It's a very good thought from Oppo. Great. Some basic covers of the phone are there. Cover to skin the phone, Amazon bill, and these sleeves, they were used to hold the charging cable. I show you, don't get anxious, I show you. All right, so the thing which I left most are these headphones. They seems to be AirPods, but Oppo was generous enough to give us good quality headphones. Good thought, Oppo. Now as the box thing has been done, so just let me show you one thing. So this is a type, this is not a type C charging cable, but this is a micro USB data cable which was provided by Oppo. It has an exclusive support for VOOC 3 charging, and again, if you want to use high speed charging, then it's recommended to use the Apple cables only. The charger, VOOC 3 charger, designed for India. The beauty about this charger, it's actually very sturdy in the face. So I haven't opened the charger, but I can say it's a heavy duty charger. Now you must be wondering that where is the phone. All right guys, here is the phone. A beautiful looking Oppo F11 which I have been using for past couple of days. Now the phone is around 1.5 inches in size, but it feels good in hand. Bit heavy I can say, but that's okay. And if you say it's a unicarbonate design body, it's not a glass body. These are the volume rocker. It's a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use two SIM cards with no micro SD support, or one micro SD support, or one SIM card. But the good thing is it contained 128GB of internal storage, so I think it should not be a problem. Here is a secondary mic for noise cancellation. The beautiful thing is a 3.5mm jack, one mic, charging port, speakers, and at the same time it's a power on off button, right? And at the same time, now this is how the phone looks from behind. It has those golden rings which really add to the color, and it's green, marble green, which they call us. It has a beautiful green finish, and which Apple was the first one to introduce that in the Indian market. Slightly black from the bottom and greenish from the above. 48 MP primary sensor, and there's a small 5 MP depth sensor. A flash is there, and fingerprint sound sensor. Oppo branding is there in the vertical format. Really very beautiful phone. Good job Oppo. Now I have configured face unlock plus at the same time I have also configured fingerprint unlock here. One thing I forgot to mention, it already contains a screen protection. Now I simply unlock the phone. Let me tell you. Yep, it got unlocked. Unlock it again. Where's the finger? Yep, just fraction of a second that it will be a beautiful thing. Now this is how the color operating system 9 looks like. The phone is fully loaded, fully configured. Here are the apps which are installed. uh, Water drop notch looks beautiful. Ganpati wallpaper on my home screen, and small things are here. Now let me just walk you through the simple specifications of the phone, but before that let me just walk you through the camera, which is the more anticipated part. So this is how the camera app looks like. It contains support for videos, it contains support for obviously photos, portrait mode, and when we click here we can other options like it has Google Lens, slow motion camera, time lapse, export mode, panorama, night shot. Haven't tried the night shot mode much, but I'll show you. Now the expert section, which I personally like the most, it contains the exposure setting, white balance, autofocus, basic things which one needs in the phone. Now we have clicked couple of photos. Now this particular photograph was taken in the evening at 9 p.m. Very less grains are here visible, and it shows that the night mode is quite effective. This is taken internal at home. This is a selfie 16 from 16 big camera during night, quite a clear selfie. This is a night photograph with very less amount of grains and very nice photo color reproduction. Here we some grains are visible because that was taken in very low light conditions. Again a photograph with very less number of grains, quite a good camera during the night. And this is macro tested. Could have been better, a low light condition photograph, but still a nice color reproduction, good saturation of the green color is visible here. Tried to capture a macro photograph, still good. A day photograph of the office premises, nice sky color. Again tried macro, a good camera here, and this one is also taken internally, and you can see a great depth of field is present here with the camera. Now as we have checked how the photographs are looking here, and I believe that this is pretty much decent thing. Now this is how the app folder looks like. Now let me just walk you through the basic specs of this particular phone. Now I click on here settings, and I'll go here to about phone, and you can see device name Oppo F11, model number specified, color operating system 6.0, which is Android 9.0 Pie based. Processor is Helio P70 2.1 gigahertz clocked octa-core processor, RAM 4 GB, device storage you can see 128 GB plus 32 GB of memory of external storage device, which I have provided. Really very decent phone, I must say. Plus at the same time I'll just walk you through some basic features of the phone. At this specific price point the phone performs really very well. I purchased it at an effective price of 16,400. rupees from Amazon, and it's a pretty decent deal, and I must say that you can go for this over other Chinese devices, but this one won't disappoint you. At least I am very happy with the phone. For anything else, for anything else which you want to know about the phone, then please let me know. And CPU benchmark settings I can't provide you right now because I don't have the tool with it, but here are around 100 apps which I have installed on this phone. As you can see. Alright, great phone, good sound quality, good speed. Yeah, one thing I would like to show you. Now I am going to open some apps, and I open this Google Pay. Okay, Google Pay is open. I'll press this specific my Vodafone. My Vodafone is open. Now you can see how easily I can switch through the apps. How easily I can switch through the apps. So this shows how beautiful the phone is working. All right, now friends, that's for the day. And if anything specific feedback is left for me, then please let me know. All right, great. Have a nice